What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the final filler, I guess the only filler, for Allure for Canucks and Arizona. Canucks and Arizona. I guess I didn't really list it here, but top spot gets Vancouver, and second spot gets Arizona. We're going to run the list 3 times. So I will run it just like a Raz. Live Monday, February 10th at 6:31 p.m. 6:31 here in Dartmouth. I have a fresh list. I will go and get it. We got Jacob on top and Grant on the bottom. Good luck to everybody but Grant. Jacob on top, Grant on the bottom, no spaces in between. Guys, we're going 3 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2. Frantic on top after 2. I will do this timestamp. There it is. 6:31. It is 6:31. Guys, third and final time. Top 2. Good luck, everybody. Marty wins Vancouver, and Jacob gets Arizona. Congratulations.